Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your laptop components. Start by powering off your Acer Nitro V and unplugging it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove all screws. Make sure to keep them in a small container so they don't get lost. There are usually 8 to 10 screws, so take your time to ensure you don't miss any. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around. Be careful not to apply too much force as this could damage the casing. After removing the back panel, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take a moment to inspect the area for dust and debris. It's a good practice to clean the internals using compressed air, as this helps maintain optimal performance. Now, locate the battery. It is typically secured with screws or clips. If there are screws, remove them carefully with your Phillips screwdriver. If your battery is held in place by clips, gently release them using your fingers or the spudger. Once the battery is free, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. This is a delicate process, so ensure you are gentle to avoid any damage. If you find this step challenging or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connectors. Press it down gently to secure it in place. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring a tight fit. After the new battery is installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Replace the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Then, use your Phillips screwdriver to secure all screws back into their original positions. Before powering on your laptop, take a moment to double-check that all screws are tight and that the back panel is properly secured. This ensures that your laptop remains intact and functions as it should. Now, power on your Acer Nitro V and check if the new battery is recognized. Go to your system settings to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We also provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Plus, if repairs are needed, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring transparency in all our services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.